স্টুডেন্টস, ক্লাস 10-এর যে সাজেশনটা দিয়েছিলাম তার আনসারগুলো তোমরা নিশ্চয়ই চেষ্টা করেছো এবং আশা করি পেরেওছো। তো আমি আনসারগুলো করে দিচ্ছি, তোমরা দেখো, মিলিয়ে নাও, আর যদি না পারো তাহলে করে নাও। দেখো, নাম্বার 1-এর এ, চুজ দ্য কারেক্ট অল্টারনেটিভস টু কমপ্লিট দ্য ফলোয়িং সেন্টেন্সেস। নাম্বার 1, দ্য পিপল উড বি পারমিটেড টু টেক এ গ্লিমস অফ গান্ধীজি ডি বিফোর দ্য funeral works. Number 2, in their bid to make an entry into the house, the people, এখানে এতে আছে আর উইপিং অ্যালাউড, আর সিতে আছে ইয়েলিং লাউডলি, দুটোই হবে বোথ এ অ্যান্ড সি, তাহলে ডি। বি, complete the following sentences taking information from the text. The people are unable to utter any words in the beginning as there was an unnatural silence and it was as if time stood still for those few minutes. Number 2, the question sprang in the mind of the narrator uppermost was, what will become of me now that he has left me? C, fill in the chart with information from the text. What? Why? Number 1, people looked like lost children. Why? They were still shocked and unbelieving. 2, a person usually makes low crying noises. Why? At first he was too stunned to speak. আচ্ছা, নাম্বার 2-তে আছে রিড দ্য পোয়েম অ্যান্ড আনসার দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন দ্যাট ফলো। ফেবল থেকে যে কবিতাটা দেওয়া হয়েছে। এ, চুজ দ্য কারেক্ট আনসার ফ্রম দ্য গিভেন অল্টারনেটিভ। নাম্বার 1, দ্য স্কুইরেল ইজ অফ দ্য ওপিনিয়ন দ্যাট হি ইজ স্মলার দ্যান মাউন্টেন ডি। 2, to hold one's position in the society is not disgraceful. C. আচ্ছা, এবার নাম্বার বি, আনসার দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন। অল ইজ ওয়েল অ্যান্ড ওয়াইজলি পুট। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য মিনিং অফ দিস লাইন? এই লাইনটার মানে কি? স্কুইরেল থিংস দ্যাট ট্যালেন্টস ডিফার ফ্রম পার্সন টু পার্সন। আচ্ছা, রিডিং কম্প্রিহেনশন মানেটা বলে দিয়েছিলাম। এ, টিক দ্য কারেক্ট অল্টারনেটিভস। নাম্বার 1, চিলিকা ইজ নোন ফর অ্যাট্রাক্টিং, সি হবে মাইগ্রেটরি বার্ড। Number 2, around 10 to 12 black birds visit Chilika between October and March. Number 3, Chilika Lake is regarded as the habitat of nearly 200 dolphins. A. Number 4, the area was visited by a team of experts. B হচ্ছে last week. B, complete the sentence with information from the text unseen থেকে। Number 1, the central's proposal is to set up a water aerodrome in the Chilka Lagoon. 2, the proposal of the central could have adverse impact on fragile ecosystem of the lake. 3, the state is likely to object to the proposal on two grounds. Number 4, any disturbance in the Chilika ecosystem will endanger the lives of the dolphins. C, answer the following question. Why did a team of experts visit the area where the aerodrome is proposed to be set up? An answer, to conduct the feasibility study. Section B দেখো, grammar and vocabulary. 4A, fill in the blanks with appropriate article and preposition. When Amitabh arrived in Mumbai by train, there was not a single coin in his pocket. B1. I play badminton. Change the voice. কি হবে? Badminton is played by me. Number 2. Tears filled her eyes. Change the voice. Her eyes are filled with tears. 3. They said to me, are you well? Indirect speech করতে হবে. They asked me if I was well. Number 4. They said we will play now. Change into indirect speech. They said that they would play then. C. Choose the correct phrasal verb. Saurabh won the first prize for his proficiency in elocution. Won, bore away. Acha, burglar entered into the building last night. Entered, broke into. 3. Don't underestimate his achievement. Underestimate, cry down. Please shorten the essay, cut down. Tick the correct alternative. It has been raining since morning. 2. I will be in class 11 next year. 3. Rita has reached home just now. E. Do as directed. I have a blue pen. এটাকে করতে হবে চেঞ্জ ইন্টু কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্স. I have a pen which is blue in color. 2. I know a man who is very wise. Change into a simple sentence. I know a very wise man. F. Identify simple, complex and compound sentence. 1. The sun shines bright and flowers bloom. And that's a compound sentence. 2. I have a friend who lives in Mumbai. Who? তাহলে who দেখে বোঝা যাবে complex sentence. G. Change the following sentences into question. 1. Lata lives in Siliguri. Where দিয়ে করতে হবে. Where does Lata live? Number 2. Tia studies in class 10. Which দিয়ে করতে হবে. In which class does Tia study? Writing. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper about the problem faced by commuters due to reckless driving of public vehicle. To the editor, The Times of India, Kolkata 700012. Subject: reckless driving of public vehicles. Sir, through your popular newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the authority as well as the reading public to the following issue of reckless driving. Nowadays, public vehicles like buses, minibuses, autos are driven in and around the cities recklessly at a breakneck speed. These vehicles often compete with each other for picking up more passengers. The commuters who travel by them not only suffer from worse tension and anxiety, but often this recklessness is the root cause of accidents that take away innocent lives. We come across the news of such an accident almost daily in the pages of your paper. The rule is there to control the speed of the public vehicles, but it seems that none is there to curb the violation of these rules. I think it is high time when steps must be taken against the violation of such rules. Thanking you, yours sincerely. নিজের নাম লিখবে, অ্যাড্রেস দেবে এখানে, এখানে নিজের অ্যাড্রেসটা দেবে। 2. Write a paragraph about students and cell phone using the following points. যে following পয়েন্টগুলো দেওয়া আছে ইউজ করে সেল ফোনের সম্বন্ধে। Cell phone is one of the wonders of modern science. Second, introduction. The invention of cell phone has brought a radical change in the communication. Ever connect with friends. Through this wonderful device, we can connect with friends. The use of cell phone removes various types of weariness from mind. Remove worry, crime rising. Today's cell phone are no less than a computer. It has some drawback too. The students spend many valuable times by talking with others by this phone. It is seen that they are talking with others while walking on the roads or on the railway track. This causes accidents. The students are very much attracted to gaming, which makes them lazy. By using internet, the students usually spend a lot of time in chatting in other social media. Cell phone can be very handy and useful to us if it is used wisely, consciously and cautiously. Acha. Next, write a paragraph of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad based on the hints given below. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was a statesman, poet and educationist. He was born on 11 November 1888. Azad worked as a journalist and protested against the British Raj as a journalist. He was an enthusiastic supporter of Gandhiji's ideas. He also composed poetry in Urdu and wrote many books like India Wins Freedom, Ghuvari Khatir, etc. He was the first education minister of independent India, and his birthday is celebrated as National Education Day. This great son of India died on 22 February 1958. তাহলে এই সাজেশানটা তোমাদের আমি করিয়ে দিলাম, তোমরা ভালো করে করবে। টেস্ট পরীক্ষা সামনে এসে যাচ্ছে, আমি আর একটা সাজেশান দিয়ে দেব, ভালো করে এগুলো ফলো করবে। আশা করছি এর মধ্যেই তোমরা পেয়ে যাবে। আর আমার চ্যানেলটা অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নেবে না করা থাকলে, আর পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটা ক্লিক করবে, তাহলে ভিডিওর পাশে যখনই ভিডিও দেব তখনই তোমরা পেয়ে যাবে। তাহলে এই পর্যন্ত থাক। নেক্সট ভিডিওটা দেখার জন্য আমার চ্যানেলটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করো।